we got here today?
We got a 2013 Ram. We're putting new gears in it.
So explain to me a little bit the importance of gears and why we change them out from the factory.
The main reason we change them out from the factory is a lot of times we go bigger tires. So when we go bigger tires, that kills the power to the ground. And so when we go to a lower gear ratio, we can get that power back and continue to not only drive down the road and still have plenty of power, but when in particular situations when we are putting them in Jeeps and stuff for off-road purposes, you have a little more torque when you're in 4-low to be able to crawl a little bit better.
Okay, dude. Nice.